Are you tired of photographing people with faces? So predictable. Why not try something like this? Or this? Or this? And thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Why would you want to hide your subject's face? Here are 3 reasons. You know how in horror films, not seeing the monster is often way more unsettling than seeing the monster? Our imaginations love to run wild, so you can add some intrigue and mystery into your images by obscuring your subject's face. We actually come by faceless poses honestly. As introverts, we're uncomfortable being seen, especially by a camera lens. If you're like us, this is a nice way to take the pressure off of getting your photo taken. So much of modeling is emoting from the eyes, and it takes a special skill set to do that. If you don't have access to models, you can just grab any old broad and apply the following 3 tips. If your subject has some luscious locks, flip that head upside down and shake what your mama gave you. Your head, you pervert. Use a prop that ties into the theme, color, and/or mood of the image. If you're in the wild without props or hair, you can still pull this off by using the environment around you. Let's go practice some faceless posing with 2 models who actually have really great faces and emotive eyes.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. See you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's so? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. See you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's so? I can't relate to desperation. Might give a damn. Are on vacation.
Aw man, I wish I had a website to show off these cool photos. Wait a second.
In case you're new around here, you might not know that we're longtime customers of Squarespace. It's our favorite all-in-one website platform for photographers to stand out and succeed online. Now it's never been easier to get started. You can start a completely personalized website with Squarespace Blueprint, a guided design system to help you build your online presence from the ground up. Easily launch your website and get discovered fast with integrated and optimized SEO tools, so you'll show up more often to more people and jump the way you want. And grow the way you want. Not only that, now you can make checkout seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and in eligible countries, you can offer customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. How do you think I got this trampoline? There's an unrivaled suite of built-in visual design effects where you can engage all of your website visitors. Doesn't matter if photography sucks, these effects are so tight that they won't even be looking at it. When you're ready to spring into action, go to squarespace.com/mangostreet to get 10% off of your new website and domain. Jump in Jehoshaphat, that's a good deal.